Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we're going to learn to tie the cow's hitch and the cow's hitch knot. All you need, a piece of line, a rail, a branch, or anything like that. And all you have to do is first make a loop, take it over an object, grab the tail ends, just pull them all the way through. And you have the cow hitch. This is great if you just want to tie something off. It works really well for a very quick knot. All you have to do is grab the center of it, pull it, and you're off. You can also do this in a one-line version. Instead of making a loop, all you have to do is run your line over, go over your line, go back under, bend it around, take it right back down through the loop, and you have the cow hitch. A lot of people will put a stop knot on this line to keep it from going back into itself and unraveling. I try not to use too many stop knots. What I do is I use a slip knot. And if you use a slip knot, you're going to want to make sure that the part that you run through your loop, you're going to want that to be on your shorter end. So when you pull, if it tightens up, it'll tighten up on that knot. And that knot will keep it from coming undone. Whenever you want to take it off, you simply just pull your little tail end, slip knot comes out, and off it comes. Now the cow hitch knot is kind of similar, except for you go over it, you bring your line up, cross over to form a loop, take your tail piece right through the loop, then come underneath and curl it right back in there, and you have the cow hitch knot. Pull it tight and it ain't going nowhere. If the line that you're using starts to come loose, all you need to do is on your tail piece, just put a slip knot on that, and that will prevent this piece from going through your knot.